guys, this is Tank-Clear-Reservoir here, back again. Pretty much we're going to do a leather unboxing and review of the XSPC acrylic plexi tank reservoir for the Laing D5 pump. And we have an Alpha Cool D5 right here. Okay, we have this one here, but we're going to show you the other side. This is the same thing, pretty much what it contains in here. Dimensions 123.5 by 72 by 90 millimeters. I'll show you the accessory. Come with it, Velcro, two-sided. You get a O-ring and the clamp to clamp down. The screws and your LED 5mm and the tank reservoir right here. There it is. And here it is. Looks pretty nice. It actually has a mount standing down, so you can mount it down to anywhere. And by looking at the picture here, if you flip it this way, this is inlet, and the top one's outlet. So pretty much this is what it looks like. Alright guys, you guys have any questions or anything, you guys leave a comment, and you guys hit the like button. See you guys a little bit later. This is Tank-Clear-Reservoir.